So what you can do, you can check out this URL to learn about socvihgroup.com/SOC, so that you can learn about SOC a lot of things. Anyways, so what they're going to offer hand-on exposure on live project, real threat, and all those things from expert security professionals. And this is what you can see. I hope they are not going to ask you money. This is mail ID support@cyberiasecure.com is the mail on which you can drop your resume. Yes, CHFI I can look for. So in subject line you need to mention junior security analyst Cyberia secure. Cyberia. Anyways, this is the second opening that we have, which is for the associate senior application security or red teamer, which is in PwC India, which is a very good company. 2 to 4 years of experience is required. So I consider it as a freshers itself. Right, 30 days of notice period should be there, which means notice period is something like, suppose in case if you want to join in company, so if they told you just come to my company, then within 30 days you can join, right? Mumbai is the location. Application security, which AppSec plus internal external phishing red teaming assessment will be there, VAPT. All this work will be done. Salman.sayyed@pwc.com is the mail on which you need to drop your resume. Next one is data privacy and protection consultant, which is in Saudi. Okay, so 3+ years of experience required. Saudi bachelor degree, relevant certificate, CIPT, CISSP, CISM, CIPP, and CDPSE is required. Key responsibility will be all this thing, and the ideal candidate will be all this. So this is mail ID sibtan@kbctechnologies.com. The next one is network security engineer, which is in Dubai, UAE. Notice that they want you to hire as soon as possible. The other key skills which is required, and sheikh.fatima@3iinfotech.com is the mail on which you can drop your resume. Check out this, guys. This is very much important. Okay, then only you can apply. Next one is offshore SOC Analyst. You can pause video if you want to see what exactly I've said. SOC Analyst offshore. Requirement is 3+ years of experience is required in SOC and cybersecurity experience. A strong knowledge in SIM, SOAR. Experience in vulnerability management, proficiency in KQL, which is a strong plus. If you know, then it will be plus point for you. And then CIEH, CSSP, CISM, CompTIA security plus will be preferable. Remote job, hiring at codestavlabs.com is the mail on which you can drop your resume. Yes. Next one is SOC Analyst. Yes, SOC Analyst guide. This is for freshers. Freshers who are looking for the job. It's in Pune. You can provide the following information in the mail. How many years of experience do you have? Current salary, expected salary, notice period, current location, and are you open to relocate? Yes or no? Mail ID is hiring@cybersecexperts.com. The mail. In case if you don't have knowledge about SOC, you can check out this URL, vihgroup.com/SOC, because guys, there's a lot of opening in India and all over the world for the SOC and this. So just check out this one. Next one is Pro Tech Magazine. Guys, they are hiring from a very long time. They're hiring for VAPT professional, vulnerability assessment and pen testing professionals. 1 to 1.5 years experience is required, which is pretty freshers, right? And vulnerability assessment and pen testing, mitigation risk, networking, all those things important or not important. Skill needed is you should be expertise in web and API security, familiar with tool like Bubsuit and Postman. So basically, if you learn web application pen testing, that will be very much good for you, because like you can even sit at your home and you can learn at your home, right? And you can get a lot of job as a VAPT, a specialization in web application. So if you want to learn about bug bounty, if you want to learn about web application pen testing, if you want to earn a lot, just check out this URL. We have everything for you. We have made everything easy, convenient for you. vihgroup.com/TCI, right? So 30 days in notice period. If you have knowledge about TCI batch, just check out and you will get this job. prachi.g@protechmagazine.com. Now next one is, yeah, that's all for the that's all for today. So if you have any questions, please ask. I am sitting here.